All right, everybody, let's get started with our coding project of the day. Today, we are going to be doing a QR code generator. All right, let's start up in our terminal. And over here, I am going into our library of QR codes. So we're kind of installing that in our computer. Okay. Let's actually try and create a folder in our desktop. Let's go into our desktop and let's make this folder. MKDR means that we are creating a folder and CD is going into another part of our computer directory. Sorry, couldn't think about that. So let's see, QR code. That's going to be the name of our folder. I'm calling it QR code folder. All right, let's see. And then I'm going to go inside QR code folder. And now that I'm in it, I will see if the pip install QR code works. Right. And this is why we have, so right now I'm using cursor. And I'm asking you, why is pip install QR code not working? Oh, okay. That was really dumb of me. We gotta use our Python 3. So, okay. So this is what I like about Cursor. So Cursor is the IDE that I'm using. Some people use Visual Studio Code. I'm just using Cursor because use pip 3 often needed on. All right, let's go with our first option. So Cursor is telling us we need pip 3 to install QR code. And let's see if it works. Ah, yes. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, so this is real world scenario here. So now we're gonna create a file. So that's why I'm doing qr.py. So this is gonna be the name. qr.py is going to be the name of our file, right? All right, so that's what we have going on right now here, qr.py. And all right, let's get to coding. We're going to, all right, thank you. Import QR code. And then over here, we're going to put image. Oh, I think it has it. Okay, yes. Except I'm not going to be using Google because I want this to be a very fun experience. So I'm going to put a link to a YouTube video actually. And make this kind of fun and interactive. There'll be a kind of fun surprise, I guess, at the end for you guys. And image.save, sure, let's do that. But I'm also going to do PNG. So this is tab. And then after that, we will be testing to see if the QR code will work indeed. All right, so Python because we're using Python right now, and then qr.py because that is the name of the file we have going on here, qr.py, and .py is for Python because right now we are using Python. All right, so now after I typed it in, I will click Python. After I typed in Python and qr.py, I will click enter. Command, not file, Python. All right, this is fine. Maybe it just needs Python 3 version. So I'm just doing number 2, what the cursor has going for me over here, just to see. Okay, I do have Python 3.9. All right, let me see if Python 3.qrpy works. So in case if you didn't realize what I'm doing, I instead of putting Python, I'm putting Python 3. Let's see if it works. Okay. Okay, this is on me. So I don't know if you see this little dot. That little dot means that it's not saved yet. So I'm going to save it. Okay, so now it's saved. So let's see. qr.py. All right. Let's see. Oh, there's another mistake. Let's add it to the chat. I'm having difficulties with an error. What are some troubleshooting tips? Okay, so apparently I also need to install pip3 with install pillow, sorry, and then it should work because QR code uses pillow for image output. Okay, see, I didn't know that. We're all learning together. So I'm going to copy here and put it down here. And I'm going to put enter. Okay. So with Python 3 qrpy. Okay. Let's see. The PNG of the QR code. This is in the terminal. Oh, okay. Okay, so now we're gonna see the PNG. Ah, there we go. Okay. So we have officially created a QR code using Python. Let's go.